Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.